Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight. Today you are looking at the Ainslie Bullion Silver Stacker Bar in 10-ounce size, available online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Now why are they called stacker bars? Let me show you very quickly. Of course, if you have a look on the side here, you've got these grooves on this side and on the other side. Now when I show it to you against another stacker bar. Now, out of interest, this is how they come from the mint. They're actually minted by Scottsdale Mint in Arizona. That's who manufactures them for us. And you can see here this blue, kind of like a screen protector as such. You can just peel this off, just by the way, but you can see the grooves on that side and that side. And of course, they just stack on top of each other, hence the name, the stacker bar. Now, why would you want to buy a stacker bar? Well, as the name would suggest, if you have limited storage, or if you just like things to be nice and neat and tidy, or if you just like the look of them, they stack on top of each other very neatly. So it's great, very economical for storage. And also 10-ounce bars are economical, usually in price as well. Of course, you're getting the sort of inherent discount you get by buying in bulk or a 10-ounce silver bar, rather than buying in 1-ounce size. Of course, we do suggest that you diversify within size, so get your 1 ounces and your 5 ounces, but get your 10 ounces and your kilos as well. Not a bad idea to diversify within size and brand and type, etc. But that is why they are called stacker bars. And let me just show you the bar up a little bit more closely. Of course, they are, as I said, manufactured at the Scottsdale Mint in Arizona for us specifically. And you have a little map of Australia at the top, 10 troy ounces silver, 9999, and of course the Ainslie Bullion logo on the bottom. And turning it over, this is what I call the Scottsdale swirl. Just a beautiful swirling pattern that they've put on the back there. You've got the Scottsdale logo in the middle. I'll see how close we can get. You can see it says made by Scottsdale Mint. Hopefully you can see that. And the Scottsdale Lion logo right in the middle of the back of the bar there. And they are individually serialized as well. So that is the Ainslie Bullion 10-ounce silver stacker bar. Again, manufactured by Scottsdale Mint, especially for Ainslie. So I hope you like this bar. It's a great addition to your stack. Maybe get a few, think about it. And of course, I want you to like, share this video, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Hit the big red subscribe button. And as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.